Welcome to your Morning Boost, brought to you by AWB Education. Here, we amplify knowledge, widen reach, and broaden impact in education, delivering your daily dose of professional development. This program is sponsored by Grundmeyer Leader Services, where together we are transforming education, one leader at a time. Now, get ready to amplify your day with your Morning Boost.
Hello and welcome back to your Morning Boost, your daily microdose of leadership strategy designed just for you, our incredible school leaders. Happy Thursday, everybody. We wish you a happy Thursday, and thank you for taking these few moments to invest in your administrative readiness. Today, we're going to continue to dive deep into one of the most procedurally sensitive areas of educational compliance, and that is that challenging intersection of Title IX and the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA. When a student involved in a Title IX matter is also protected by an IEP or a 504 plan, the requirements of dual compliance can feel like navigating a legal tightrope, but they don't have to be paralyzing. We are going to unpack the critical procedural safeguard known as that manifestation determination meeting and give you a few non-negotiable checks to ensure that your response maintains equity and integrity for all students. So stay with us. This is essential knowledge for mitigating liability and ensuring FAPE is preserved. Now, I know that you know the tension between these two legal frameworks, Title IX, which focuses on eliminating discrimination, and IDEA, which guarantees individualized educational services. It's very real. For leaders, the goal isn't choosing one or the other. It's about crafting a seamless administrative protocol. The pivotal moment where these laws collide is often where disciplinary sanction following a Title IX determination may result in a change of placement for a student who is also disabled. This is where that manifestation determination meeting steps in. Your team must be disciplined about procedural due process and ensure that the integrity of special education safeguards remain intact throughout the Title IX investigation. Our first essential step is ensuring a mandatory manifestation determination meeting before sanctions. If the Title IX investigation finds a student with a disability is responsible for harassment and the potential consequence, like a suspension or expulsion, constitutes a change in placement, when that happens, we must conduct an MDM before imposing the final sanction. The consequence is entirely conditional upon this meeting's outcome. Furthermore, always perform a FAPE preservation check. If the student's behavior is determined through that manifestation determination to be a manifestation of their disability, the school cannot impose the same punitive consequence as a non-disabled student. Instead, the team must address the behavior by reviewing and revising the student's IEP, or don't forget, 504 plan also falls under the manifestation of determination statute, but we must do so to ensure the continuation of free and appropriate public education. Finally, remember to conduct an IEP 504 review of supportive measures. Even non-putative supportive measures, like a long-term class schedule modification. These things must be reviewed by the IEP 504 team. This ensures the supportive measure doesn't inadvertently become a denial of FAPE or constitute a change in placement. The Title IX team and the special education director, they want to collaborate on a written protocol for this review process, because ultimately the success here is all about interdisciplinary collaboration. Avoid siloed administrative functions at all costs. Your Title IX coordinator, special education director, and frankly, your legal counsel must be in constant open communication, especially during these complex cases. Now, here's an inspiring thought on leadership to guide your day. Think of the intersection of these complex laws not as a headache, but as an opportunity for excellence. A leader's strength is defined by their commitment to protect the rights of every student, both under Title IX and under IDEA and ADA. When you get this procedural due process right, you demonstrate the absolute highest level of commitment to equitable education. You are ensuring justice for all parties while actively building a stronger, fairer education system. Thanks for listening, everybody. We will be back again tomorrow with our last day on Title IX for this week. But until that time, have an awesome day. We will talk with you again tomorrow.
That concludes another episode of Your Morning Boost. We hope today's daily dose of professional development helps you amplify knowledge, widen reach, and broaden impact. Your Morning Boost is an AWB education production brought to you with the generous support of Grundmeyer Leader Services. Join us again tomorrow for more. Until then, keep boosting your impact.